So I asked ChatGPT to help me with some tasks. Okay. I asked it to help me calculate some basic maths, and this was the question, and I was surprised. It actually started well. ChatGPT started very well, and it was going on smoothly. It gave me, I was talking about arithmetic series, and it continued on and gave me premise for solution and on and on and on and on. I did say thank you until I saw the calculation, and I said, wow, there's an error in your calculation. ChatGPT promptly apologized here and went on to give me another solution, blah, 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 blah. I had to come and point out the error again. How come all of these, And the next thing I noticed is it continued to apologize. Apologize for the confusion. You are correct that the formula is this. Okay, so it went on to attempt to make the correction, but it still went ahead and made some misconceptions. So I was tired. I was like, maybe it's the method it was using. Okay, I told it to use the quadratic formula. Instead of using the quadratic formula, it should use factorization because we were just getting the signs wrong in its calculations. So here it is again, and it went on and on and on trying to use the factorization method. And you can see that this is the coordinate of n squared here, and this is the constant, which should be multiplied together using the quadratic, the factorization method. But alas, ChatGPT did not do that multiplication and went on and on and on and on and on. I had to point it out again. I said, "This is what you said, okay?" But I was like, "But you are supposed to multiply the constant minus 4,500 by the coefficient, which is 3, before you find the factors." Oh, yes, you are correct. Yes, you are correct. In factorizing, blah, 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 blah. And it went on and on and on and on and on and on and on. And hello, now I was really, really getting flustered. What kind of thing is this? What was wrong with this AI? But minus 42 times 62, minus 45 times 62 will not result in minus 13,500. Can you correct this using factors that sum up to plus 14 and give a product of minus 13,500? Of course, again, for the fourth time, I apologize for my mistake. You are correct. And on and on and on and on and on and on and on. Wow, 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 wow. Another error. Hello, the sum of 52 and minus 250 is not plus 17. Can you really get this right? And it went on and on and on and on. At that point, I actually left it, and of course, so I knew the answer, I knew the calculations, but I just wanted to see if it can get it right as a tool, because students, everyone uses this tool, ChatGPT, and imagine the amount of misinformation that children will get whenever you give them a task and they don't know what to do, and they plug it into ChatGPT or any sort of form of AI. So we really need to be careful whether children use AI, students particularly, so that they cannot get into more mess academically or in any other wise when using these AI tools. So that's my experience with ChatGPT.